Hola beautiful people, it's me Penny Queen and I'm back with another video. Today's video is about this lovely hairdo here, alright, cause she cute or whatever. Yes, so you see the braids are the same, but I decided to curl the braids this time. You know, if you want to get the sneak peek, the inside scoop on these hairdos, all you gotta do is follow me at Penny2_Queen on IG. Check it out. Take it in. Do you see these curls? They is lit, honey. Yes. All this body. Let me know if I'm, missing any. Leave a comment below and let me know if I'm missing any pipe cleaners. You know how it is. You can't really see the back of your head. You just assume that they all out. But anyway, if you want to get the deeds to this hairdo and how I accomplish it, just keep watching. Okay, on our freshly washed, damped hair, we're going to section off the hair. We're going to section it in fours, but the two on this side, we're going to split that in half and twist it. And then we're going to split that other half in half again. So it's like a box, two in the front, two in the back. We're going to start in the back. I'm using pipe cleaners. We're going to take the pipe cleaner and we're going to fold it in half like a horseshoe. And then you're going to take two braids. I'm choosing to do two braids per one. You can do one braid per one, but I opted to do two because I wanted them a little bit bigger. Okay, so again, you're going to take two braids and you're going to take your pipe cleaner that you folded in half and you're going to put the ends of it in between the crease like that. And then you're going to twist it to secure it on the end, and then you're going to just roll it up the pipe cleaner. See? Just roll it up the pipe cleaner. And there you have it. Okay, let's try this again. Take it in half, and you're going to take the ends of your two braids and put it on it like that and secure it. And then you're going to roll the braids up the pipe cleaner. Just keep twisting. Now the pipe cleaner is kind of short, so you're going to push it down. You're going to push your braids down and then keep rolling. So just keep pushing down until you get to the top, and use the top of the pipe cleaner as an anchor to keep it on. Alright, let's try it again. Put it on there, secure it, and wrap it. Just keep wrapping it. And just push it down and then anchor it on. Put it on the end, secure it. Now you have to also make sure you roll the hair the way you want the curls to go. I wanted it to go away from my face, so that's why I rolled it that way. And that's it. Now you're done. You just repeat that all over your head until they're all done. After that, it's time to dry. The dryer that I'm using is this Hot Tools dryer. It's like a bag dryer. This one you don't have to put the blow dryer at the end of the tunnel. It already has like a little concoction thing. It's like a vacuum thing. And let me tell you, you're going to sit underneath of this dryer. So I'm glad that it's very mobile, because I had to dry my hair for at least 4 or 5 hours. I had to do it in spurts. I dried it for about an hour, took it off, dried it for another hour, took it off. I even went to sleep under my satin bonnet until the next morning. Alright, now it's time to take them out. Now the takeout, you have to take your time, and it can be very hard to get some of them out, so you really have to take your time. So I'm going to show you the easiest way that I figured out how to get them out. So you take the end of the curl. Now you see where you put it at. You have to find the pipe cleaner at the bottom. Not where you twisted it, but where you first started wrapping it. And then you just pull it out. Like, just pull it out from in between the curl. Just like that. And then you take the two ends and unwrap them that you use to secure it. Sometimes the end of the hair will end up kind of straight, but if you just, curl it back up in position, it'd be just like you never did anything. Boom, there it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you try this hairstyle because I loved it and it came out really cute. So you already know what to do. It's time to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment below. And I shall see you in the next one.